So, as you probably agree, dreams are very personal and interesting, sometimes scary, sometimes funny. And we thought about presenting dreams. It's a good question how it would be technically feasible, how the input would work. But basically, it would be a good way to store your dreams, like a diary, but also like a social media site to share your dreams with friends or maybe publicly, which could be a fun way to share it. So GPT-4 would be, I guess, the brain of it, and we have synesthesia, which is video, Mid-Journey for still pictures, and music LM for music. And that's the basis of the concept.
And how would they work together? So like,
About that, to be honest, I don't know much, but I guess GPT-4 would be the main guy who communicates to the other ones, and yeah. Any questions?
I was in this team, so I know there were a lot of other ideas. How this is a social platform, right? So
Yes.
how does it work? Why is it interesting for people? You still have 20 seconds.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it would be maybe most interesting for yourself to see your own dreams. And yeah, it would be first a page where you somehow give the input, and then other place where you can search or see your friends and watch the things.
Okay.
So it's just a concept, but
Thank you.
Thank you.